Model, 2017 Iveco Daily 35C1423 HDI recovery truck non-runner needs engine 21 feet alloy bed 3.5 T Euro 6 No Vat. Body, blue, recovery. Mileage, 235,419. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411 JC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine needs replacing or referring, super long rear 21 feet bed 3.5 ton. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, very well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers,